What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Low Tech. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Before we start today's video, I want to give you guys a quick little surprise. Ready? Are you guys ready? I told you guys I had a surprise for the Z. If you went to my Twitter account and read my last tweet, you guys already know what it is. For those of you that didn't, here you go. Washington plates for my Nissan 350Z. I'm sure some of you guys didn't even know I had one because all I film is truck content. I have a 2007 350Z. Yes, it is an HR. If you don't know what an HR, it has dual intakes. DE has a single. I have dual. You didn't know that? You didn't know that? That's crazy. Z is finally registered out of state. I don't gotta worry about cops harassing me for exhaust or tint. The only thing I gotta worry about is speeding or front plate ticket. Finally, I've been waiting for this damn day. If you guys are interested in getting this done, you don't have to live in Washington. There is a loophole. I don't know if I'm even allowed to say that, but yeah, if you guys want to get this done, hit up my boy Performance Registration on Instagram. We'll put the IG link there or there maybe. Hit them up, let them know I sent you. Definitely take care of you. Kind of pricey, but it is worth it. Keep putting this on. Well, later I'll pull the Z out and slap these bad boys on. It is Valentine's Day. I hope you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day with your loved one or loved ones, or your significant other, or your wife, or your girlfriend. I literally just got back from Disneyland. Hint, where I'm wearing a Disneyland t-shirt. I'm exhausted. It is currently like 3:30 and I'm running out of daylight, but I have enough time to install some new parts for the Tacoma. Yes, another truck video. Ha! I have a lot of stuff to install today. Literally, I kind of went all out. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Might as well just finish the interior and order everything. So, probably just gonna time lapse everything. Make a quick little install. Again, I will link everything down in the description if you guys are interested. If you guys want to get any of these parts for your Tacoma, if you have a Tacoma. Yeah, link is down in the description. You'll find everything. I will link it all. So let's get started. First things first, we're gonna need alcohol and a clean microfiber towel. So we gotta make sure we have a clean surface before we apply all the overlays. So let's do that first. Gonna apply a little bit of heat just to activate the adhesive on this 3M tape. Make sure to apply a lot of pressure when putting this on. You don't want this lifting back up. That's on there pretty good. Now to do the other side. Alright, steering wheel went on pretty nicely. Now for the next piece that I will be doing will probably be, let's do the climate control. This bad boy right here. Let me open it up. Oh, that sucks. I'm glad I test fitted before I put this on, because it looks like the knob is too big and I won't be able to put this on. Oh, that sucks. That means I gotta pull all this off. Well, since I ran into a little problem or issue, if you had the OEM knob, it'll go right on, but since this is a little bigger, it doesn't. So what I'm gonna have to do is pop all this off again, remove this, and then put the overlay on, and then pop that back on. But before we get to this, I'm gonna install little army green inserts that fill in this gap right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out and apply those, and let me show you what that looks like. Probably can't see the green too much, but this is right here. This is for the front and this is for the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this first before I start doing all that. For this, it comes with two, a green and a black. It says you're supposed to insert the black first. It says it right there. Install black, insert first. So you put the black one and then the green on top. God damn it, wrong door. Alright, driver and passenger door is now installed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rear, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. So the next insert that I got is for this center piece. This is literally going in that space down there. I am gonna be putting this on before I put the carbon overlay. Let me show you that. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. Alright, now for the next modification, we are going to be changing out this ring right here for the cup holder. We're going to be installing a army green one. Like I said, I'm getting rid of all of the gray and chrome in here, so this is a must. No, I broke it. No. Oh well, I'm not gonna use this anymore anyways. But anyways, now let's get some alcohol. Go ahead and wipe all this off. there's another little modification that I got for the stereo, really. If you see, it has chrome on there. Don't like it, don't want it. So really easy, pop these off just like that, done. Now you can't see any of the chrome, and it looks so much better this way. Damn, who would have thought just removing knobs would be that easy and it'll make it look so much better. I'm just joking, totally joking with you guys. I picked up some little knobs, blacked out knobs. These are pretty cool. It has a little flat side, as you can see, so just make sure you line that back up. And what's cool about these black knobs is it illuminates blue light when the truck is on. There it is, boom. That is so dope. I actually love that. These knobs do not light up, so this is a huge plus for me. Now you can actually see the knobs at night, and they're a lot grippier. It makes it so much easier. Happy with that. I say this every time, I'm gonna say it. Isn't it crazy on how little things like that can make a huge difference? But yeah, man, I am super happy with that. That looks dope. It is now Saturday. I'm continuing the video from, when did I film? Monday, Tuesday? I don't remember, Valentine's Day. So yeah, I went ahead and already removed climate control panel. I think this is all I need to remove. I don't think I need to remove any of these. I think these rings just pop right off. Okay, those rings are off, so I don't need to take this off. I thought I would have to. Definitely looks a lot better and cleaner. No more gray. Now what we're going to be installing is this carbon overlay, which is going to lay right on top of that, just like that. Let's go ahead and do this first. Alright, now what we're going to be installing is this carbon fiber overlay on that trim right there. So let's go ahead and start taking this out. this back on. So happy with the turnout. I swear carbon fiber just changes the entire look of the interior. It makes it look, I don't know, expensive. Yeah, I love it, man. It looks so good. Carbon fiber for the win. I knew I was only gonna do a little piece of carbon like for these, but I knew if I did this I was gonna want everything, so I just, you know what, fuck it, I'll send it. Went full carbon, everything, so there's no more gray in here. Actually, there is gray here, but I don't know if they sell this overlay in carbon, so I'll look, but if they don't, oh well, not a big issue or big deal. But overall, super happy how this turned out. It looks so good. Carbon fiber with the black knobs or little black rings makes a huge difference. But yeah, all this stuff I will link down in the description below if you guys are interested in any of these parts. Super easy to install. I think what took the most time was removing the tape off the back. Use a blade, it helps to use a blade. But other than that, super easy to install. Use the heat gun to like activate the adhesive so it can stick better. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember, why you